Hi guys, Andy in the practice room again. You guys will probably get a kick out of this. There are probably a lot of UNLV music students wondering who's killing a cat in my practice room right now. And the reason they would wonder that is that I am working on a piece by the famed new music composer Christian Lauba. And Christian likes to use lots and lots of multiphonics. And this is a new thing for me, so I'm having to learn how to play them. It's a piece for tenor called Prelude to Vertigo. So here's Prelude to Vertigo, and you see there are things that look like chords for saxophone. We're not supposed to play chords, right? Well, wrong. This is how music is written now, and you'll see these little numbers and letters, K6, K117, K68. That is a series of fingerings from a book by Kinsey, which is a multiphonic book for saxophone. So yeah, here's Kinsey book. We actually have to have a primer to play this stuff. So it's just another part of my own growth and development, and I think it's fascinating. So I wanted to share it with you guys for a minute. Here I am back in the laboratory making some funky honking noises, but it's going to be a very cool piece once it's done. And I look forward to performing it. Have a good day.